Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice long nightstand and this thinner nightstand that matches a 9-drawer dresser that we just did. So follow along, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this project started. Alright, like I mentioned before, we have already completed a 9-drawer dresser in Blackout Black, and so we want to match this set here. So we're going to remove the hardware, we're going to pull the drawers out, check the subframe, check the tracks, make sure everything's in good working order. We're going to sand it all down, and then we can start painting this piece, that Blackout Black. We'll do a nice little light scuff on it just to give it a vintage feel. Put some wax on it, and we'll have this project done. So, got the tools. Let's get started by removing the hardware. Alright, it's everybody's favorite part, sanding. We're going to use our DeWalt sander on the tops because that's basically the only place that's straight. Pull the paper, the sandpaper, and we'll have to do everything else by hand. So it's going to be a long journey. What we're after is trying to get the top, the sides, everything like that. We're trying to get rid of the sheen so we can get a nice grip with that paint. The tops are a little bit rough, so it's going to be nice to have the DeWalt sander get those over. We'll scuff sand everything down, and we can start vacuuming and wiping it all up, and we can move forward to painting the actual good stuff about this. So, mask on, let's go. Alright, everything's been wiped down, vacuumed out, and now we can start painting. Today, we're going to use our Behr Prime and Paint. It's Eggshell finish. The color is Blackout. Still going strong on our Wooster brushes, love them, so we're going to keep using them. So, 2 coats on everything. I'm going to start with the 4 drawers that go in these. I'm going to set those aside after 2 coats, and then I'll start working on these frames. Whew! Let's get started. We've gotten to the point where we've let the 2 coats of paint dry. We're in Phoenix, so just minutes of dry time, and this dry climate makes painting really easy. So we are going to scuff sand this down. I got some old 80 grit sandpaper here. Gonna go over the piece nice and easy. This is a step that you could skip at your own house if you wanted to leave it solid. That's perfectly fine, but with vintage here, well, we're gonna give it an aged look. So, let's get started. Scuffed it up, wiped it off, and now we're gonna wax it and come back to life, get rid of all this dryness look. We're gonna wet it up again. Got my mini wax, natural, old sock, and well, we're gonna go to town here. So let's get started. Alright, here it is completed. 2 nightstands. Blackout Black by Behr Primer Paint, eggshell finish with a scuff at the end. We waxed everything up, and well, I think the end product is pretty amazing, and I can see this set selling pretty fast. Now, we did a 9-drawer dresser in a previous video, so go definitely check that out to see the full set. If you like this project and many others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, hit that subscribe button, definitely helps us smaller channels grow. And well, keep an eye out for some more projects like this.